Vesta Company was founded in 2012. We are the manufacturer and the supplier of the unique line of professional kitchen equipment for cooking healthy dishes on charcoal. It is a unique production in the Russian Federation. Today, Vesta Company produces open and closed grills, cauldron ovens, smokehouses, pizza ovens, and the whole complexes. We organize and control the whole technological process, from starting the project to the production and the delivery of the ready equipment to the customer. To get the workpiece of the form needed, we use the guillotine that cuts the metal. The precise cut of the material minimizes the waste. That also makes the final price of the product lower. High speed and the productivity of the guillotine are also very important. Then we use a Japanese numerical control punching machine, CNC, to make holes in the metal sheets. Thus, we can make holes of any necessary form. In our production, we use only modern, high-quality equipment. Our machines can bend not only the sheets of metal, but also details of complicated shapes and configuration. Besides using our bending equipment, we can make dozens of bending lines on a product, and it makes the quality of Vesta equipment very high. We use argon arc and resistance welding for welding the pieces. All of our equipment is made by professional, experienced workers. As a result, our products are durable, reliable, and strong. Laser cutting of the metal is made by the laser complex. The technical characteristics of our laser machine lets us get the unique accuracy for the details. With the help of the laser cutting, we can make details of any size and form, including the smallest ones and the most complicated forms, and also cut the metal at high speed. Besides, with the help of laser cutting, you get a very good cut that doesn't require any additional processing. We can also make micro cuts and micro holes. The quality control guarantees the reliability and safety of Vesta products. To ensure safe work in the kitchen, our design office developed a spark arrestor with water curtain to extinguish 100% of sparks and flames. Our products are certified according to the GOST standard and comply with all fire safety standards and requirements. The final stage of the whole technological process is sending the ready equipment to the warehouse and packing it into the stretch film and carton. Vesta Company works with big logistic companies. Our products are delivered all over Russia. Modern technologies, professional staff provide the production of high-quality products that can compete with foreign counterparts. Every year, we take part in home and international exhibitions. Since 2015, we export our equipment to the CIS countries and to the countries of the European Union. By the end of 2019, we have sold more than 3,500 Vesta grills. Please see the technical characteristics and the price list for Vesta products on our website, vestaovens.eu.